Welcome to BEHR Presents How to Apply BEHR Chalk Decorative Paint. But before you can get started, here are some things that you'll need. Painting with BEHR Chalk Decorative Paint is a great option because it doesn't require any stripping, heavy sanding, or priming. Like everything that you paint, you'll want to clean the surface. We suggest using a damp towel. The big thing here is removing all the dirt and grime. Once it's had time to dry, gently sand it. We do this so the paint has something to adhere to. Just make sure to wipe down the surface after you've sanded. Applying chalk-style paint is pretty easy. Using your BEHR Chalk Decorative Paint brush, paint even strokes moving up and down the dresser. If some of the paint is a bit uneven, that's totally normal and will actually enhance the antique look. Take your time in the smaller, more detailed areas and make sure you get into the nooks and crannies. Chalk-style paint is a quick and simple way to give your furniture a fresh new look. Have another project waiting in the wings? Check out our other how-to videos.